I'm so glad you're watching this. In fact, I so look forward to be live in conversation on Instagram. I try to be live at least 2 to 3 times a week. I want to keep it crisp and I want to keep it meaningful. But even more than keeping it crisp and meaningful, I want it to empower you to take action. So every knowledge is going to produce results only if you take action on it, and it's my personal responsibility to share knowledge in such a way that it empowers you, it makes it easy for you to take action. So if you think this is a good place to begin, if you think this is a really powerful way of wanting to make a difference, I am sure you will enjoy all the shares on Instagram Live, on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about lasers. So how this conversation exactly goes is, whenever somebody asks me a question, questions can be asked to me on mail, they can be asked to me on Messenger, there are office WhatsApp numbers where you could ask me a question, and then there are questions which clients ask me when I meet them in the clinic. And whenever a question seems very relevant to a lot of people, I realize that many people must be having this same question. I take it upon me and I answer that question on Instagram so that a lot of people may get the answer to this question, because I have seen that people assume. Most people assume, they don't even ask if it is the right answer. So if they are afraid of something, if somebody has told them something, most people do not validate the authenticity of the information they have. They just take a step back and they get into inaction. And I want to create a world of action takers. I want people to be sure, I want people to be clear, I want people to take informed decisions. So even in my conversations, you will see that I only offer options, powerful options. There is absolutely no convincing. Yes, one size does not fit all. Aesthetic medicine, most part of aesthetic medicine is aspirational. If you believe that this action is going to make a positive difference to your life, I'm going to simplify it for you and I'm going to make it easy for you to take that action. If you resonate with what I am saying so far, I want you to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you and I are on the same page. You feel the same connection with me that I feel with all you wonderful people who show up on my Instagram Live. Today the topic is lasers, because whenever I use the word laser, there is a lot of questions that come to people's mind. Of course, most of the people already know about lasers, like laser hair reduction, such a popular treatment. Today mothers are getting their teenage children for a laser hair reduction. Mothers are saying that I got freedom from unwanted facial and body hair and I am so relieved. Today I want to get my teenage daughter so that she is free from waxing and threading and bleaching. So it has become such a household name, especially laser hair reduction. So because of laser hair reduction, because of the popularity of laser hair reduction, because of the success of laser hair reduction, today many people know about lasers and many people are no longer afraid of lasers. Yet I want to talk to you about Mugdha, who I met today at the clinic and who I suggested a laser treatment to get rid of her pigmentation. So the minute I used the word laser, Mugdha told me, "Oh my God, laser?" So she was kind of taken aback. Her body language changed. She did not want to undergo a laser treatment. So like I said in the beginning, it is not my agenda to convince you whether you must take a laser treatment or not take a laser treatment, because as an aesthetic consultant, a medical aesthetic consultant, my job is to tell you the various options that are available. My job is to help you choose from the various options that work and are available to you. Have a conversation with you, understand your needs, desires, problems, and help you make the right choice for you. That is what I am here for. I call myself your beauty and wellness partner because we are in partnership. I can't do your push-ups for you. There are certain lifestyle changes which you have to take for yourself, but I am going to work with you as a partner and help you not take improper decisions, help you take the most effective decision, the decision where you invest a little and get a lot. So I'm not going to let you waste your time and money doing things that do not give results or give temporary results. Here, aesthetics is something that people are very emotional about. People get very emotional when they hear a compliment. People get very emotional about their skin, their hair, their body shape. So when something makes you get emotional, something can make you get carried away. So my job is to keep you grounded and not let you be carried away. My job is to ensure that you make informed decisions. You know the facts, the right facts from the right person, facts that are proven and not just hearsay and not part of the fact or out of context fact. I will ensure that you get the whole picture right. You are able to see the complete picture, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the amazing too. And when you know everything in the picture, I will make sure that you can take a decision in a relaxed way, in a happy way. That is all I want you to do. So when Mugdha told me that, oh my God, laser, I did tell her that I do understand that she has a fear of lasers, and worry not, laser is not the only option for her. I can present her with several other options that are not lasers. So the first thing is, if something does not resonate with you, yes, you can ask for options. There is nothing like a have to or must do. There are a lot of other ways to reach to the same goal that you have to. So I think that whenever there is something that you don't feel too comfortable about, whichever consultant you're talking to, whichever expert you're talking to, you must ask if there are other options available, and the consultant will be only happy to list down the different options that are available to you. Yet at the same time, if you're rejecting something without a complete understanding of it, so I use the word partnership, where I mean there are two sides to the whole conversation. As much as you have the liberty, you have the right to express what you would like and what you would not like, especially when it comes to wellness and beauty medicine. At the same time, I would request you to go through the pros and the cons of whatever is being presented to you without being in a shell, without having a bias that this is definitely something that is not good. So whenever someone uses the word that this is not good, I think one has to ask a few basic questions like, not good for whom? Not good according to whom? Not good in what condition? Who said that this is not good? How many years ago was it said? Has anything changed since then? If somebody said that something didn't work for them and somebody else says that this definitely works, are we talking about the same thing? So there are so many questions which seem very simple and very logical, but unfortunately, when we feel emotional about certain things, when fear is the underlying reason behind certain things, people do not take smart decisions, they do not take informed decisions. So this is a small Instagram live. Yes, I am going to tell you what exactly is a laser, what are the different kind of lasers, what are the pros and cons of the different kinds of laser, what are other options other than a laser that can transform your skin. There is a whole range of devices known as energy-based devices. I'm going to tell you all about energy-based devices and how these energy-based devices use the power of energy, use the power of rejuvenation of your own cells to create a better version of you, how they make you awesome inside out. So yes, like I promised, we are going to talk about lasers and other energy based devices this entire week. We are going to talk with posters, with slides, with reels, with these kind of live sessions. You can ask me anything about lasers in this week, because I want you to have a crystal clear understanding about what are lasers and is there any reason for you to be really scared of them. So when we talk about something, we will talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, and even the amazing part of it. Will this be useful? I think we are only as free as our options, and if there are certain options which are not helping us take positive steps forward because we are afraid, so I think every decision we take should be, I am somebody who believes in taking decisions from the heart. I consider myself a right brain person more than a left brain person, and every decision I take it because it makes me feel light. I take decisions from the heart, but I want to tell you that I definitely get the complete picture. Taking decision from the heart is perfectly fine if you are that kind of a person, but taking decisions from the heart does not mean succumbing to fear, does not mean not being open to understanding the complete information. So I think one must get a complete information and know everything about the therapy we are talking. Here we will be talking about lasers the entire week, because there are a lot of misconceptions regarding lasers, and I think even getting these misconceptions cleared will open up new options for a lot of people. People will stop wasting money on things that have never worked for them and will go make the right choices. Yes, I'm not convincing anybody to make any choice over another. My job is to give you the complete picture with complete responsibility. So thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to this paradigm that maybe we are making decisions from little information and that is not serving us. So entire week, stay with me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you're not following me yet, because this entire week we are going to be talking about lasers and other energy based devices, and we are going to empower you with the complete scientific knowledge which will make it absolutely easy for you to make the right decision whenever needed. Thank you so much for being here, and I am like thrilled to see you people come talk to me regularly, ask me questions, write back to me, and also compliment me on the value that I have been adding. It feels really good. Thank you so much, and good night.